The Palm Beach Maritime Academy will be holding our next open house Saturday, February 5th, 10 a.m. for our elementary program and 11 a.m. for our secondary program.
Our elementary K through 5th grade program is STEM and literacy-based instruction. We integrate marine science field trips into each student's education. Our secondary 6th through 12th grade program offers a challenging curriculum. Our students are ranked in the top 3% of science scores in the state. We offer honors, AP, dual enrollment, and early admissions. Don't miss this opportunity to learn about our programs
Saturday, February 5th
at the Palm Beach Maritime Academy, and adventure awaits.